How to find user ID on Discord mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device and further make sure you are signed in. Now, if you want to find someone's ID or if you want to find your own ID, then firstly, tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, under the App Settings tab, you will see the option for Advanced. Tap on that, and now under General, you will see the option for a Developer mode. So, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Developer mode, and once you have enabled Developer mode, go back to Discord homepage and then go to the Messages tab. Further, go ahead and tap on the user whose user ID you are looking forward to find, and once you have opened their profile, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears you will see the option for copy user ID. Tap on that, and now with this, their user ID has been copied. You can now go ahead and paste the user ID anywhere you want. I will paste it in my notes, and with this, as you can see, I have found their user ID successfully. You can repeat the same process for all other users whose ID you are looking forward to find, and you can also repeat the same process in order to find your own user ID too. So this is how you can find user ID on Discord mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.